Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. To everyone, whatever part of the world you are. Okay, so I'm going to make it as quick as possible, but I'm trying to be very slow because some people say I'm being too fast during my class yesterday. Okay, so I want this one to be comprehensive and very informative. Okay, so you guys should just follow me closely. Okay, so for those of you who don't have bybit, you can kindly request for my link to sign up with if you don't have. Okay, so after registration, you need to proceed to verify it. After verifying it, then you will download the application and log in. You can just register with the website, then you download the application to log in and do your verification from there. If you are in this part of the world, which is Nigeria, BVN is the best option to use to do your verification. Okay, and then if you open the app, this is how the interface look like. This is the home page. Okay, on the home page you see a lot of things which I recommend new people who don't have bybit, who are registering newly. I recommend them checking out this page to check which of the tasks they can do to get some reward. Okay, then we have invite, copy, bot trading. We have more. If you click on more, you will see P2P where you can buy or sell USDT directly. That's if you want to fund your wallet, okay, from the application. You just click on P2P and then you buy from individual and sell to individual. Okay, so you can see buy, sell. I also have a video on my YouTube channel how to buy and how to sell, so we are not going into that. Okay, so we also have other things. Okay, so then the next thing here is market. After homepage, you will see market, okay, which is a combination of derivative and spot. Okay, then the next one is the derivative itself, which is what we are going to talk about. Derivative. Okay, so the demo signal I drop, I want to go back to there to start from there. Okay, so the demo signal I just dropped right now, here is it. Signal, I said demo because I don't want anybody to trade it. It's just for video creation purpose. Okay, so this is the signal, demo signal, long buy. Okay, coin, Argo, USDT, mode, scalp, entry 0.3100, limit order, and then we have stop loss, which is 0.303. Okay, then we have TP1 at 0.3220, TP2 at 0.3500. Okay, so then now we'll go back to the application. You open your app. Okay, let me try to start it from the beginning. Okay, let's try to start the app from beginning. Okay, just few seconds. Okay, so the application open. Okay, then you go to this thing. You go to derivative. You go to derivative. You go to derivative here. Okay, then when you click it, this derivative. Okay, so what we want to do now, first of all, is you try to fund your account. If you don't have fund there, you need to fund it. You need to fund it. How to fund it? You can buy from P2P or send from on chain. You send from either your Binance or your Maxi or whichever exchange you want to send from to your Bybit, or from Bybit to Binance, or whichever exchange you're familiar with. Okay, but one thing about my own signal is that they are Bybit based. Okay, my signals are Bybit based. Okay, so there are some coins that you may not find them on Binance, okay, or on other exchanges, or there could be a price different, okay, between the Bybit price and the one you see on other exchange. That's the different of you trading my signal on other exchange. Okay, that's just it. There's nothing much about it. Okay, so right now we are going to type in the coin. The coin say Argo USDT, which we're going to click on this dot, three dot at your left hand side. Okay, you click it, and then you type the coin Argo USDT. There you go. This is spot. Okay, this is the one we want to trade. Okay, USDT a perpetual contract. Okay, so we click it right here. Okay, then we'll click on long. The signal say long. If it's sell, then we'll click on sell. But the signal say long buy, so we're going to click on long. Okay, then it will take us here. Okay, so please take note of all these things here: the cross and then the leverage. The cross, when you're using cross, what you're doing is that you are endangering your fund or the total capital you have plus the money you're going to put on that trade. While if you use isolated, which I recommend everyone using for now, is that you're going to risk only thing that you're going to be putting on that particular trade, which we are going to do right now. Okay, so the coin say Argo USDT and they say limit order. This is limit order. If the coin say market order, then you can now change it to limit. That's mostly you hear me say CMP. CMP is market order. Okay, but we are using limit for this purpose. We are using limit on this signal. Okay, so I'm going to type in the amount. First of all, I want to adjust my leverage. This is too high. I don't recommend that. I'll be using 10s leverage on this signal. Okay, I'll be using 10s because leverage is very risky if the trade go against you. If it goes your way, it's a good thing, but you can't always win every trade. That's just what you need to know. So that's why you need to follow risk management. Okay, so I'll be using 25% of this $60 here. Okay, I'll be using, no, let me use 30%. Okay, that's if it's up to $100, 20% will be $20. Okay, which is right risk. If you're a low risk taker, if it's $100 you have in your capital, you can use 20%, which you can always use this slide to get that done. Okay, as you can see, which I always recommend using this slide. Okay, 20%, 25%, and then we have 30%. You know, just keep sliding it, the amount you want to use. But 100% on a single trade is not recommendable. It's too risky. 50% is too risky. 20% maximum. Okay, or 10%. But personally, I like using 20%. Okay, so that's it. Please always follow risk management. 20%. Okay, always use isolated. Never you use more than 10x. Okay, if it's BTC Ethereum, then you can take 20s leverage on them because those coins are high market cap. But other altcoins you can use 10s and below, 5sf on some very, very volatile coins. Okay, so we'll type the entry 0.3100 is the limit order. Okay, then we are going to put this cross. We're going to click on this cross TP slash SL here to put our stop loss. The stop loss is 0.303. Okay, and then TP is 0.3220. Okay, so as you can see here, everything is well explained already. If the trade go my way, I make $5 on 38.7%. If the trade go against me, I'm gonna lose $3 on 22.58%. Okay, so that is it. So I'm gonna click confirm. Okay, so everything is set up. Entry, the amount I want to use, TP, start stop loss, everything is intact. So let's check, is that correct with the signal? Yes, it's correct. Entry limit, stop loss, yes. I'm using TP1. Okay, let's use TP2. Let's use TP2. So if TP1 hit, I can move my stop loss to entry or move stop loss slightly into profit. Okay, so let's use TP2. Let's use TP2. So we're going to click on this one here. Okay, so to adjust my TP, okay, then I'll edit this one to 0.5. Okay, which is 19 USDT on 129% reading. Okay, so I'm gonna click confirm, then I'm gonna click long. I'm gonna click on long right now. There you go. As you can see, order submitted. Okay, so it will remain pending here like this. This is the order I just placed, and you can also modify it or you cancel it if you don't want to trade it. You can modify it, you can cancel it. If you click on modify, you can edit the TP stop loss, order, all those things. Okay, and then write down the price is at 0.3133133. Okay, and our entry is 0.3100. So when this current reading here get to our entry, it will trigger and change from that to position. Okay, I currently have a position running. I just placed this trade some minutes ago using limit order, okay, which it triggered during this recording. Okay, so that is how to do it. As I will always say, if you are following my instructions and signals, you're definitely gonna be profitable. We can't win all trade, but at least based on my record, 85% win rate is what I'm currently on. Okay, so if you are following me, just follow instruction. Never you use all your fund on a single trade. Use a percentage of it. Like this, imagine that I put this whole $40 into this trade and the trade go bad. Okay, I will lose a lot, okay, because I use a lot. Okay, but if I use a percentage of it, like 10% or 20% or 50%, so let's say 50% on this $40. But if you have up to $100 capital, I recommend you using 20%, which is $20 per trade. Okay, so like this, if you use if you use a big margin on a trade, if the trade go against you, you lose good amount of money. But if you use a percentage, small percent of your fund, if the trade go bad, you lose a little part of it, and which you can quickly recover and still make profit. Okay, that's one of the mistakes that newbies do make. When they come to trading, they don't want to calm down and follow the rules. They want to double their money within few hours because they see the possibility, so they think it's that easy, neglecting all the risk management, burn down their fund, and then start calling future trading a scam, which is not true. I've been in the good side of trading future. I've been in the bad side. The bad side is what taught me the great lesson that I have today, which I'm using to coach a lot of people and to guide them to profitability. Sometime last year, I lose almost 3K within a week. I was like, what in the world is this? But when I go back, study what happened and everything, I come to realize that, yes, you just have to follow the normal way of trading future. It's not a place where you gamble like Bet Ninja or Sporty Bet. Okay, so I wish you all a profitable trading.